In the last video, we worked with the command name attribute for a parameter within a command using the Amilious Console. And in this video, we're going to work with the group name attribute. So this is actually pretty similar. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy our work from last time. And I'm going to change the alias to GP. And I'm going to change the command to group. Okay, down here, the CMD name, I'm going to change to group name, and I'm going to change this to group name. Change this to group name, and this is going to be video group. Okay, this video group is about blah blah blah, or this video is about blah 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 group. Alright, and now it should be set up. So this works exactly the same way as the last one with the command name attribute. The group name attribute is going to ensure that this group name is a valid group name that is currently loaded into the Amilious Console. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's hit save. Jump over to Unity. Wait for our project to build and run. Now that's up, I'm going to hit F5, I'm going to type slash, you see our YouTube tests, and we have our group command. Again, if I try to type some random thing, it's not going to work. But if I try use an actual group name, which is supplied here in the selection, it will actually execute. This video is about the health group. Alright, actually that's very simple, and that's all there is to this video about the group name attribute. In the next video, we're going to be talking about the conditional parameter attribute.